Welcome to Lingua Latino Tutorials with Mr. K. This is chapter 41, Grammatica Lectio. So the grammar lesson here is only in the exercises, not in the text. So we get to practice and review what we've learned in the other book. So here we have qui casus, which case is it? Nominative, accusative, genitive, dative, ablative, vocative. Which number? Uter numerus, singular or plural. Which declension? Quae declinatio? First, second, third, fourth, or fifth. Quod genus? What gender? Masculine, feminine, neuter. An example: agrum, from ager, which is a masculine. It's one of those masculine ending nouns. Ager, agri. It is accusative, singular. Second declension, because it's ager, agri, masculine. And then gentium, for example, from gens, gentis, is genitive, plural. Third declension, feminine. So classe, which is from classis, is ablative. It is singular. It is from the third declension. Classis, classis. It's an I stem, but it doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. It is feminine. And then agrum, which we have already up in our example, so we know that it is accusative, singular, second declension, masculine. And then arma, which is from armum, meaning weapon, is armum, armi. So that is an accusative or nominative. If you type in nominative though, it won't let you do it. So it is both though. It's accusative and nominative. It is plural, and it is from the second declension, because armi, and it is neuter. Okay, so go ahead and try the rest of those exercises, looking up the noun if you need to, and let's go on to exercise 14. Okay, here we have practice with our principal parts, just as important as they were in the other book. You need to be memorizing these, probably putting them on separate flashcards, or at least in a separate list. Abdera, which means to hide. Abdera, abdidisse, to have hid. And abditum, having been hidden. Abigera, to drive away. Abegisse, to have driven away. Abactum esse, to have been driven away. Adepisci, to obtain. Adeptum esse, to have been obtained. So after you've practiced and you know these forms, go through and try all of these, and try them a few times until you can get them all correct. When you're done, now you're ready to go back and reread through our chapter. And after you've listened to the margin notes and practiced your vocab and you feel confident, you can try the pensa and then move on to chapter 42. Buona fortuna!